Good morning. It's about 6:15. Real cold last night, probably about 37, windy. It's gonna be up to about 40 degrees today in this area, Webster, New York. So there's no point in waiting around too late to let it warm up because it's just not gonna happen. It's gonna get a little bit warmer once we get towards Saratoga. So that'll be good, but we're only talking like high 50s. So, but I'm bundled up as much as I can now. I did use the showers, but the water was like lukewarm, so it wasn't too helpful. But I got a nice campsite all set up. I got here a little bit late, after 9 o'clock, so I set up in the dark. But that's the way it goes. So I'm probably not going to do anything too crazy today. Just try to make it to my sister's. You know, there's a good section here where there's not really any fun roads or anything real interesting, seeing that there's no mountains to do anything. But I'm probably not going to go into the Adirondacks just because any elevation will make it colder at this point. And let's just get somewhere warm and yeah, keep moving on. So that's going to be the plan for today. But yeah, at least it's not raining. So I'll pack up my stuff and hit the road. Well, we made it to the Chittenango Waterfalls in New York here. It's just east of Syracuse, near Casanova. It's a beautiful waterfall. I am going to leave all my gear on while I do this just because I'm frozen still. It's still only 40 degrees out, but the sun has come out. It's a beautiful day and we'll go check this out. Really nice waterfall. It's 167 feet tall, cascades down a whole bunch of rocks. I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's a nice park, and I'll put in the description where it is, or show it on the map, so anybody wants to check it out, they can. But yeah, let's take a little walk down to the waterfall and check it out. Everybody loves a good waterfall, so I mean, I've been to this one many a times when I lived in Saratoga, which that's where I lived most of my life, really. It's a nice trip to get out here. So here we are on the top part of it. And here we are at the bottom. Yeah, how cool is that? One thing that's nice is this hike down and hike up is gonna warm me up a little bit, but yeah, you guys gotta come check this out. It's beautiful. Well, I'm back up on top of the waterfall and just looking around. There's this island right here, and there's a massive tree on it, which is pretty neat given the size of the island. I gotta imagine that you don't see that very often. Yeah, it's a big tree. So. Yeah, well, what a nice place. Yeah, definitely come check it out. So the rest of the ride was pretty uneventful, and I made it to my destination, which was Brookledge. So Brookledge is a place where there's lodges, cabins, glamping tents. It's a wedding venue or any kind of party venue. And that's where I spent the night in the lodge. As you can see in the pictures, it's really nicely done. My sister and brother-in-law have spent quite a bit of time putting all this together. And if anybody's interested, in the description I'll include the webpage. If you'd like to spend the night there or plan an event of any kind, feel free to contact them and they'll fill you in on the details. Well, that was it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe. Thank you.